Okay guys, in this video I just wanted to make a quick demonstration on how to make a withdrawal request from Cash FX. If you haven't already set up your wallet, make sure you go ahead and do that before you make the withdrawal request. And this is how you're going to do it, by going to Account and then down to Bitcoin Wallet. You'll put your wallet address there if you haven't and get that set up. And then after you do that, make sure that's good. Then you can go over to Finance, go all the way down to Request Withdraw, and you'll see your balance up at the top. Now make sure it's got to be at least $100 or more before you can make the withdrawal. So I'm just going to go ahead and withdraw the whole thing. Okay, did I too much in there? Alright, let's try that. 19, 99, 23, okay. Alright, then just click on Submit after you put the amount you want to withdraw. And it's going to ask for the 2FA PIN, so I'll go ahead and get that from my authenticator. And I'm going to wait for this to cycle out here. So I have time to do this. Alright, 500, 499. I'll hit confirm. Oh, and before I hit that, well, anyway, you're going to see this, the 20%. It shows all this information there before you confirm that. Okay. So it's been accepted, and now you'll see it here pending. And you can cancel this. If you make a mistake, you have time to cancel this and just go ahead and do another request. But otherwise, if it's fine, then you just leave it, and you should see it. I say give it 24 to 72 hours, and it should show up in your wallet. Now you can confirm this later on. I'll go back to the dashboard, get out of this, and then go to Finance, and then you can actually see the withdrawal status down at the bottom. Shows the same thing, so it's pending. So, okay, that's just what I wanted to show you. I hope that helped.